One of the things that I've noticed organically, and I think it's just kind of ingrained in your culture, the investment that you all have in us succeeding, I've not witnessed before. I have done implementations, like I said, this year and prior to this year, where they show you how the system works, get you into the system, and you're off. With TELCOR, they not only show you how the system works, they kind of tell you in a very sophisticated way, just hold on, don't get in a rush. There's a reason why we're doing these things. Be patient, right? And once we get to that space of releasing our first batch of claims, when you see that first batch of remits come back from the work that you've done prior to going directly into that system, you're going to see how much this team is dedicated and invested in your success.